there is no other place in the world more critical for human survival than the Amazon. The rainforest covers parts of Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, and more. At 7 million square kilometers, the Amazon takes up 40% of South America and has about 1.4 billion acres of rainforest. The Amazon is nearly the size of the continental United States and accounts for over half of the world's remaining rainforest. The Amazon discharges 1/4 of the Earth's fresh water, and many Amazonian trees and plants are used around the world for food, medicine, cosmetics, furniture, shelter, crafts, and more. The Amazon is home to 1/3 of all species. There are about 427 mammals, 378 reptiles, 428 amphibians, 1,294 birds, 3,000 fish, 40,000 plants, and 2.5 million insects. It plays a key role in global carbon cycles and climate. Also, indigenous lands occupy more than 20% of the Amazon. These reasons and more are why the Amazon is critical to our survival.